Over 80 houses were destroyed on Monday night due to excessive rain and hailstorm. MLA Biswajit Koloi visited the affected areas on Tuesday. MLA Biswajit Koloi gave assurance to provide assistance from the government. On Monday night, due to excessive rain and hailstorm, over 80 houses were destroyed in Gangaram village, Pathalia Ghat, Bijoy Nondi and Ujan Pathalia under Takajla constituency, which is why MLA Biswajit Koloi visited the affected areas along with other local party members on Tuesday. MLA Biswajit Koloi gave assurance to provide assistance from the government.
Tini Bijoy Nondi o para mo Ujan Pathalia Ghat bishi ekaisa Arjun Thakur bisini Bishingo Hachukhulni Bishini Bishingo Gongrai para Oro Mia Horo Emon Babu Kotor Fakia Okay Mia Prai Sadik Sanda Zorago Belakin Kotor Famine Bagui Oro Prino Gongrai Hunke Prai Asi Poribar Moto Banara affected Nka Nogro Jutan Pai Thampaka Okay O Bijonondi Oro Hunke Prai Tiris Paitisa family Hai Kotor family Yagolo Tino Papaka Chungaman Bagina Tinoro Bijit Kalika, or plus Tinoro, General Paimanza Fakachini, Jonalni, Vice Chairman Tongo, Tachini Vishini Chairman Tongo, or leader of Tongo, Chungamne, Antini Fum Cox College in SDM by SDM by Cox Ramaya Gulabor Photo Kalek Kakia, and Kayaman Yagulabor Kana officially Babe, the Sham Rock, the Toshida Sohokai, or Amse Gurinaye, Sabsavni, accurate, Musik Paka, on her night is a Kahamkai, current estimate Kai, Daki Bruno. Banyak khoti puram dokter nan bagino jeng kok salaikia hapeno ang ani am saini bagai ani bu responsibility tongni jeng am saini puro kana phone khayar ka jeng faine peleka ebong oro kisu mane baksa ta bele affected nka baksa to kisu kom somong laikia hapeno area to bele kino mo kisu bishing area go jaga rogo jeng chini financially bele weak am bagai SDM kok salamaya golo brown dakti financially help ba financially bono support nan bagino
He said all kinds of assistance should be given soon to the affected family by margining the principal amount of losses. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.